Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to your home decor channel. And if you're new here, I would like to have you part of the family, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And with nothing else to say, I'm gonna let you enjoy this full living room tour and living room update. And the update that you guys see here is these gorgeous curtains. I will be giving more details of these curtains on my next haul, just so you can enjoy this whole video. I will be also showing the bar cart that I just got, and I'll show you how I style it without using bar items, since I already have a bar and I set up that station. I would like to hear your comments on how much did you enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed the bar cards being decorated in a different way, non-traditional. Thank you so much for watching and for your loyalty. I love you guys, and until next time, have a great day.